Hello everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making something super easy. We're going to make some chickpea brownies. I guess you can call them like a brownie. And it's going to be very delicious and very nutritious, high in protein. So let's get right into it. So first you want to get a blender. Now I have a NutriBullet that I'm using. So for this, I'll show you guys. So this is my NutriBullet, and I have chickpeas already in here. I was going to do something else, but it didn't work out. So this is what we're going to use it in. So I have the chickpeas already in here, and now I'm going to add a peanut butter. So I'm using creamy peanut butter. I'll put that right in here. So next we're going to add maple syrup. I'm using the 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And we're going to add, I'm using superfood plant protein. I'm using 1 scoop of this. And will have a link in the description box of how to get this. But this is what I'm using. Add a little extra protein, a lot of nutrients in it. So next I'm doing 1 scoop of cocoa powder. Say it's not going to hurt, right? So let's put it in here. All right. And now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And last, I'm going to add my milk. Now I'm using plant-based milk. I know that was kind of loud. I'm using plant-based milk. I'm using soy. Put it in there. And now, y'all, it's time to blend. So now we're going to blend, and I am using my NutriBullet, so there will also be a link in the description box to this particular blender that I'm using, or you may have a food processor, you know, whatever you have. So let's put it on high. So y'all, this is so super easy. If you don't have a lot of time, this is very easy and simple. So I'm going to take the top off, and as you can see, it's going to pour right in. Got my pan. I did spray a little spray on there, and I'm going to pour it. I mean, the fact that it pours right out is like so simple. And as you see, I probably have a little residue of chickpeas on the side, but we're not going to worry about that. It's pretty much blended pretty good. Now I get my spatula and get the rest of it out. So y'all, I think I baked it maybe like 45-50 minutes, and the results are in. Here it is right here, brownie. And it's still kind of soft it's done soft in the middle. So it's not going to get real like, you know how a cake texture is. It's not going to be like that, but it's going to have a nice soft texture. So you can definitely add chocolate chips. I probably would have added some, but I had some, but I think you would like this healthy snack. Really great to kind of sneak some little peas and beans in your desserts if you have a child that doesn't like it. I have 1 out of the 4 that do not like peas or anything, but guess what? He likes this, and he ate some. So, yeah, have a great day. Remember, small steps equals to big change. Bye.